I just wanted to show you guys quickly how you can calculate the amount of bonus you're going to get for a rank up on Stake. This works for stake.com and stake.us. All you need to do is just select the VIP level you're currently at. For example, if you're a silver and your percentage is 55%, you enter that amount in and it shows the amount of wager needed in order to rank up and the expected rank up bonus. So silver to gold would be $100 plus about $10 for a discretionary bonus. That is based on your playthrough and how much you're in profit or at a loss. You'll get more if you're at a loss, less if you're in profit. If you switched over to sports, it's a little bit more because sports are worth 3x rather than 1x with regular games like slots and stake originals. But this is just a quick tour of the site. You could see it has a little bit more information about what's required in order to rank up and how the math actually works. If you guys are interested in using this calculator, just click on the link in my description and you could just plug in your numbers to see what you'd be getting.